What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I want to talk to you about the fact that buyers are math experts, even if they can't add. What am I talking about? Stick around. So the real buyers for a house have seen a lot of homes. They know all the different homes around you. They've probably been to any home pretty much that's been competing against your home, and they've maybe even made offers on them and this kind of stuff. So they know how your home compares to every other home. They know that maybe in one home they can't get the kitchen they want, but in this home they can. And in this home they can't get the bathroom they want, but this one they can. Or they can't get the windows they want in this one, but they can in this one. Or this one they can, that one they can't. I don't know. You know, they're all different, right? So, and during this time they've sort of been experiencing things about homes that they identify with and they love, and they think, wow, when I find my home, I want to have that kind of bathroom. I want to have that kind of kitchen. I want to have, you know, a sitting room that looks like this, or, you know, landscaping that looks like this, or whatever, these kind of windows and doors and all that kind of stuff. So they have a really good feeling for what they're looking for in their house, their next house that they're buying, right? So I've noticed that buyers, even if they could barely add, are pretty much math experts when it comes to walking inside of a house, and they look around your property and they can quickly assess what items they want to change in your house. What items need to be fixed up, need to be brought to a current standard or their own standards or whatever. Kitchen needs to be remodeled. They can estimate that right away, even if they've never even shopped for a kitchen. Bathroom, they can pretty well estimate that, and they can, you know, if it needs a new roof or it needs new windows or whatever, paint, carpet, flooring, all that kind of stuff, landscaping, fill in the pool, you know, or cut down trees or whatever. They can pretty well walk in and they'll look at the price you're asking, and then they'll immediately deduct all those items, and that will be the fair market value, is what they're going to come up with, right? Now we'll negotiate with them, and we'll have other buyers competing against them also, but pretty well, they're pretty good at looking at a house pretty quickly and saying, well, that kitchen's going to cost me $20,000, and each of those bathrooms going to cost me $7,000, roof's going to cost $14,000, the, you know, landscaping is going to cost $10,000, the blah blah blah, and they just take whatever number you're asking and they subtract it. Does that mean we should just raise the price another $1 million to make sure everything's covered in there? No, because the price is the price. The house is worth what it's worth. It's worth what it's worth compared to the other homes in the market that are competing against yours that the buyers can also purchase. And, you know, they know what the values are, so they've seen all the other homes. They know exactly what. They can also estimate pretty quickly what a house is going to sell for. When they're a real buyer and they've seen 50 or 80 homes, and, you know, even as a realtor, when I'm with a buyer and we're in a market, meaning, you know, a geographic area and a price range, so they're shopping, you know, we're in Fullerton for $900,000 house or less with 4 bedrooms or more, with at least, you know, 3,000 square feet or whatever. That's a market. So they know every home in that market. So they're, you know, their minimum standards are better under their price range. They know all of them. So the minute they walk into yours, if they've seen that many homes, they're going to go, oh, this house is going to sell fast. Like, and it should sell for about $825 or whatever the, you know, whatever the number is, or $1.8 million or $10 million or whatever the, you know, it's all the same. It doesn't matter what the price of the house is. It's always the same experience for the buyers. They see all the properties that are available. They know the difference between all of them. They walk into your house. They immediately know what it should sell for and how fast it'll sell. And they're gonna make their offers accordingly. Having all those other buyers in there competing against them makes a huge difference because they really love the house. And now, so they'll overcome their price objections by just being in love with the house. You know, that's how you get maximum market value, is just get it as best you possibly can, and they'll figure out what else they have to put in it, and they'll estimate that down, and then we'll negotiate them back up compared to all the other buyers for it. I think that's it for this video. It's a little weird, but you get it. So if you're ready to have us come over and take a look at your house and show you how you can increase the value of it and the emotional appeal to the home buying public, and get a feel for what it's worth, and anything, you got questions or whatever, just give us a call. We'll see you at your house.